This is what happens to bad kitties.
Ever seen a cat talk like a human?
Kelly!
What?
She said what? Do you hear it? Hey! Hello!
Gold.
You're adopted.
Cats are undoubtedly the most relaxed creatures in the world.
This one. Oh, did you get it? Ready? High five. Yeah.
السلام عليكم. كيف حالك؟
From the sound of their laughter, I can tell this cat speaks
يا
Arabic.
كيف تسوي فيها؟
She want to be naughty? She want to be naughty or not? Yes or no? Really? Yes or no?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah.
Oh no. You don't need more food.
Yes. With a body like this, this amount of food is definitely too little.
Я думаю, то все вещи выкидывают из шкафа по ночам. Спалина. Это адекватная вообще кошка?
What is going on here? Mom, that's your chair.
Что она опять так делает?
Где мышь?
Под ней?
Okay. Just wanted to say I love you, okay? Okay. Okay.
Huh?
You see Winston, Louie? Where? I don't see him anywhere. That's weird. No Winston around here.
讲话了。你干嘛？他女朋友呢？没看到他女朋友。
Con thử nói lại em nào. Ăn á. Ăn á. Nói to lên nào. Ăn đúng không?
This cat knows how to say
Yep, he's found a new place to... Oh. Hello. Thank you.
I heard every single word. Will the dog understand and come over?
Hey. Ain't Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty. Oh!
Блин, слышишь, как кричит? На ушке одела, одела ушки так голову под ручку. Он прям вообще Боня.
Short circuits during play are common with cats, as sometimes they need to reboot their system, you know? Make sure the two siblings get everything equally, or the house will never be peaceful.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Looks like someone skipped gym time and came outside here only for emotional support.
Let's listen to what this cat has to say.
You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello?